It's the day before Thanksgiving in 2020, and our drywall was just installed today. We're all very excited about it. Just wanted to take a video to appreciate it in all of its glory now that we got walls. The hallway and the stairs we just came down. And straight at the end of the hall, that's gonna be our linen closet. And over here is gonna be Granny's bedroom. And this cute little thingy right there on the ceiling. Don't know what that's about. I gotta stop pointing because it makes it blurry. And then Grammy will get 2 rooms, or 2 closets. This one under the stairs. And then stand back and just go around the room. And then we've got a big closet over here. Okay. And then down the hall, that's going to be a light fixture, that white thing hanging down. Got our hall closet again, and then the bathroom. And the bathroom straight back in there. It's going to be a shelf in the shower, and then there's going to be a light. Looks like we're missing just one thing there of drywall, which is impressive. I did everything else today. Maybe just didn't order enough for the shower. So I'm missing that one piece. We'll come in here. So the shower handle, and the faucet, whatever. We got the toilet, and then the sink stuff. And we got our light switch hole and the plug. I just realized, I'm like, where's the light? There's one light here in the shower area, and then we don't have a light in the rest. And there's no electrical for the light over the vanity. I'll have to ask about that. All right, and then come back out of the bathroom and turn on our light to our family room. All drywall, I mean. There's our hall. I guess it's not much to look at, but it's still super exciting to see all this progress. And that's where our internet and TV outlet will be. All right. All done. Can't wait to see what the next step is. This is super exciting.